Shopping. Lisa is at a clothes shop. She's looking for a new dress to attend a party.
Good afternoon. Ma'am, how can I assist you today?
I'm in search of a new dress.
Oh, you're in luck. We've just received the latest designs.
Really? Please show me.
Here it is. This is our newest design crafted by one of our renowned designers.
Wow, it's stunning. However, I'm worried it might not suit me.
Why's that? I believe it complements your skin tone.
Do you think so? I tend to prefer brighter colors.
Okay, let's try this color. It might suit you better.
Can I try it on?
Of course, ma'am.
Where is the fitting room?
Certainly, ma'am. Our fitting rooms are just over there. Straight ahead, then turn left.
Thank you. I'll be back shortly.
Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
It's a bit too big for me. Do you have it in a smaller size?
Unfortunately, that particular dress is only available in size S.
Well, it seems it won't fit me exactly, but oversized styles are in fashion, so it's not a major issue. I'll take it. Returning things to the store. Lisa is talking to a shop assistant of a clothing store. She wants to return the dress she bought yesterday. Good afternoon. I visited yesterday and bought a dress, but it's a bit too big for me. I'd like to return it, please.
Of course, ma'am. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I see everything's in order. May I ask why you're returning it?
It's a beautiful dress, but when I tried it on at home, it didn't feel suitable for me, unfortunately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you prefer a different outfit?
I think I'd like to look for something else if that's all right.
Absolutely. Feel free to browse. And if you need any assistance, I'll be here.
Thank you. I'll take a look around.
Take your time. I'll be here if you need any help or have any questions.